mini trailer, and we are on week 5 of the Hello Posy Quilt Along. So Hello Posy is a pattern within my book, A Life with Quilt. You can find that book at meanderingmate.com. Looking for instructions or need a little help with making this quilt, on week 1 we cut our fabric, week 2 we made the blocks, and on week 3 we did some batch sewing. So if you need a little extra help, you can go back and watch those videos. If you are ready to make your last final blocks, that's what we're doing this week. We have 7 blocks to go, which will take care of all of that. So when I see you next week, we will be sewing our blocks together. And there will be a video tutorial for that too. So don't forget to post your progress on Instagram using the hashtag HelloPosyQAL, so that you'll be eligible for the giveaway that happens this coming Tuesday. So I'm going to show you my blocks, all of them together, and then I will see you next Wednesday. Okay, here they are. Oh, I will definitely be playing around with the layout, and we'll talk about that more next week, but yay, I'm so happy to see them up on the wall. So they'll just sit there until I'm ready to play more with them. So that is it. I will see you next week.